Hi, Glenn with VanEquipped, and we're out here in the warehouse today to show you some of our exciting products on our SafeTrack product line. So over here we have our more standard 6-rail floor configuration. So our SafeTrack floor is fully insulated and it has our rails embedded into it. It's about 50% lighter than just about any other manufactured floor on the market for what it does. And that insulation provides both thermal and audio protection to make your van a lot more quiet, and then protects you from the outside elements. And then these are available for any of the different van models between Sprinter, ProMaster, Transits, Metris. So on the 6-rail floor design, we have the options for installing the seat beds in the various rail configurations. So in this example, we can install on these two rails, these two rails, or these two rails. Very easy to combine those and set it where you want it, depending on the cabinetry and other stuff that you have. But the 6-rail design gives you a lot of flexibility for installing other cabinets or seats, or adding single seats and tray tables that we'll talk about. All of our seats and seat beds include the ISOFIX child safety system, as well as a tether. So you can put child seats in here and make sure that they're safe, and which is one of our main goals here at VanEquipped, is to make sure your passengers are safe when they travel with us. Everything's fully pull tested to passenger grade safety standards. So on here we have our SafeTrack SAF 42 seat bed, and the way this works is it's movable and one of the easiest to move on the market. So with that, we have a bar here. It's currently locked down, ready for travel position. So when I'm going to move this, say, out of the way during the day for our trip, we just pull up on this bar. It's spring loaded, so now once I pull this up a little bit, it's real easy to move back all the way to the back of the van. Lock in place, push that down, and it's ready once again for travel. And then when I want to move it up to the front again, it's just as easy. Pull it forward, a little effort, locks into place, and lock it down. And then again, this is our seat bed. So this is what we're famous for, is our quality seat beds. So with this, it's easy to transform into a seat bed. Rotate that out. We have a nice lever here. Rotates forward. There. And then in our back piece is multi-positions. So you pull up on it. Easy to change into multiple couch positions if you want to read or watch TV in the front of the van. And then it's just as easy to restore back to travel position. Bring this back up. And then we're ready to hit the road. Move forward. And we're ready to go. So it's just that easy. Now over here we have our new Weekender platform. So this is our, again, a 6-rail floor. This is our coin floor versus our gray wood grain. And with the 6-rail Weekender version of the floor, all 6 rails are closer together to the passenger side. That gives you a bunch of space on the driver's side for cabinetry and whatever else you want to install over there, electronics and so forth. So with that, then it's nice for our single seats, but you can also install seat beds with it as well. In this instance, we're showing a couple of our adventure seats. So the adventure seats are really nice. They have they're foldable, very easy to use. So with that, we just have a little lever on the side. Easily rotate forward and backwards. Armrests. Now, if you want them exactly side by side, you would need to remove one of these armrests in between them, which is very easy to do. We have instructions for that. But right now, so they're offset just a bit. You can sit, you can adjust those. They're very easy to move. And with these, once they're unlocked, they slide very easily, and then lock back into position, and then they're ready for travel. Now what makes our Weekender floor unique, which is really slick, is some of our new products like the tray tables. So this is our tray table product. So this moves easily. And these are all pull tested just like the rest of our product line. It's part of our SafeTrack product line. So with this, you slide it into place. In the front, we have a little lever here. Click it into place, and then lock it. And now it's all safe for travel. And it's really easy to deploy the tray tables. We just pull these up, rotate forward. And for both of us, we're all ready to do homework or work on a laptop or have a meal. And then when you're ready to store it away, just as easy. Take these out. And then if you want to move or remove the tray tables, you just pull this little tab here. It just as easily moves out and it can be lifted out. So that's just some of our many options we have with VanEquipped on our SafeTrack product line. We have lots more accessories and everything available on the website. And we have a brand new catalog explaining a lot of other stuff like our pop tops, roof racks, lots of other accessories, swivels, and so forth. So please check us out and have a great day.